Hello students, I hope you all are fit, fine, healthy and happy at your home. Our school has started online classes. Be safe at home itself and study well. I thank God for giving this opportunity to teach online, and I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of the new academic year. Now, let us start from first lesson, around you. This is most interesting lesson. Listen carefully. Our first lesson name is around you. So look at around you and observe what are all the figures and pictures do you see. Did you see any shapes and figures or pictures? Identify the names. This is our first page of our book. Do you all see the pictures before? Yes, we know our national flag. Our national flag shape is, yes, very good, rectangle. This is an envelope cover. This is a clock, buttons, and carom board. We know the shape of the carom board is square. We all love samosa, right? The samosa is in triangle shape. Yes. Then coin. The coin is in circle shape. This image represents triangle shape. Yes, very good. Now we are going to learn 5 basic shapes. You all know the 5 basic shapes, right? You have learned it in the before classes. Yes, you are going to identify the shapes. I am going to draw the shapes. You are going to find out the shapes. What shape is this? Circle. Very good. You all know this is a circle shape. What shape is this? Yes, this is square. The next shape is rectangle. Very good. What is this? The samosa is a triangle shape. Yes, this is a triangle shape. The fifth shape is, identify the fifth shape. Yes, it is pentagon. Very good. So we all now know this 5 basic shapes: circle, square, rectangle, pentagon and triangle. Very good. Okay, now we are going to do one activity. Put a separate note for marks or use your rough note itself. Write today's date and put activity 1. Write the heading as identify and write the names of the pictures that have the following shapes. Okay. We have seen the pictures before itself. Once again I am going to show you. These are the pictures we have observed before. Right. For example, first shape is pentagon. Yes. Which one is the pentagon here? Yes. House front view is pentagon in shape. So, they are written as pentagon hyphen front view of the house. Now, we are going to guess the next shape. What is this? Yes, square. Observe these pictures. Which picture contains a square shape? Yes, carom board. So, you have to write square hyphen carom board. Okay. Like that, you are going to write for triangle, circle and rectangle. Give any one example, that's enough. Okay. Did you understand? Pause the video and observe all the pictures and give one example for each shape. Now we are going to see how to do a square in Matchstick. Did you see this? Yes, this is a square shape. I am using the n number of sticks to increase the square shape. But I am using the same number of sticks in both the sides, all the four sides. Now I am going to draw the square shape. Listen carefully and draw with me. If you have any doubt, pause the video and watch it again. Draw along with me. Now we have finished the square shape. Now we are going to name the corners. A, B, C, and D. Place A, B and C in order. Mark it your square with the alphabets. Any alphabets you can mark. Now, the square has the four corners A, B, C, D. Totally there are four corners A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are corners. Next there are sides. A, B is on one side, B, C is another side, C, D is on side and D is the another side. So we are going to name the sides. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. There are four sides in a square. There are two diagonals in square, AC and BD. We are going to name the diagonals. AC, BD are the diagonals. All sides are equal in square. So, all sides are equal. That is, AB equal to BC, BC equal to CD and CD equal to DA. A square has four corners, four sides. All sides are equal. Now, activity number 2. Draw a square in your rough note and name it as E, F, G, H and find the corners, sides and diagonals of the figure 2 as well as figure 3. Name the square as it is. Okay. Next shape is rectangle. I am going to use a matchstick. See, two sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal in size. To draw a rectangle, you have to draw using your scale and pencil in rough note. Okay. We are going to give name to our rectangle as H, I, J, and K. Rectangle has four corners H, I, J, and K. So we are going to write H, I, J, and K are corners. In your rough note, draw a rectangle, give name to it, and write the corners, sides, and diagonals. Now we are going to find the sides. H and I are the side, I and J are the another side, J and K are the another side, and last K and H. Okay, now we are going to write H I J, J K, and K H are the sides. Now we are going to find the diagonals of the rectangle. H and J are one diagonal and I and K are the another diagonals. So we are going to write it as H J I K are the diagonals. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle, that is HI and JK and KH and IJ. Now we come back to our activity 3. This is the another figure. Draw a rectangle in your rough note and name it as L, M, N and O. Find out the corners, sides, diagonals and write down the opposite sides. Now our next shape is triangle. See my triangle? I am done with the matchsticks. It has 3 corners. Now I am going to draw a triangle. Draw along with me. We are going to give name to our triangle A, B and C. There are 3 corners in triangle, that is A, B and C. Now we are going to write it as A, B, C or corners. And we are going to find the sides of the triangle. A and B is one side, B and C is the another side, and C and A is the another side. So we are going to write it as AB, BC and CA are the sides of the triangle. A triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Now let's come to the activity 4. Draw a triangle as given in this picture and mark it as P, Q, R for figure 2, and draw the triangle as it is and give the name as K, L and M for figure 3. Find the sides and corners of the triangle. Now I am going to make a pentagon shape in Matchstick. See the pentagon shape. Now I am going to draw a pentagon shape. Draw along with me. Name its sides as A, B, C, D, and E. Now we are going to find the corners and sides of the pentagon. There are 5 sides in pentagon: A, B, C, D and E. Now we are going to write it as A, B, C, D and E or corners. There are 5 sides of a pentagon: A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and E, A. These are all the sides in pentagon. Now we are going to write it as A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and E, A are the sides of a pentagon. We come back to the activity 5. Draw the pentagon shape in your note and give the name as P, Q, R, S and T. Find out the sides and corners of a pentagon for the both pentagons. Okay. We have 5 activities. Activity 1 is observe the picture and find out the shapes. Activity 2, name the corners, sides and diagonals for the square. Activity 3, name the corners, sides, diagonals for rectangle. Activity 4, name the corners and sides for the triangle. Activity 5, name the corners and sides for pentagon. If you have any doubt, watch the video again and again. Submit the photocopy of your classwork in a WhatsApp group. Thank you.